Since the dawn of time, men and women have found difficulty in communication. Over the centuries, we developed language and physical expressions to bridge the gap between the sexes. But still, misunderstandings are all about. And in home situations, they are mostly about clutter. And that is where, after 400,000 years of civilization, Ikea comes in. With a smart solution to end misunderstandings around the house, Ikea presents Ikea Emoticons. A series of emoticons to take the misunderstandings out of your communication. Here's how it works without Ikea emoticons. And here is how it works with Ikea emoticons. Without, with. Express yourself freely. All your hints, desires, demands, and questions will be understood right away. Clear the air between you and your loved ones. Go to ikea.nl/emoticons. Install the Ikea Emoticons keyboard on your phone. And start using it right away.
Men vad är det här? Jag städar inte badrummet igen. Det är din tur nu.